Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the grill on your Chrysler 300. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm socket, a ratchet with extensions, and a trim tool set. Having a clean, flat workspace is crucial for this project. Make sure your new grill is readily available before you begin. The first major step is to carefully remove the front bumper, also known as the fascia. Begin by removing the 3 push pins from inside each wheel well and 4 more from the top of the bumper. Next, locate and remove the 10mm bolt from each corner of the bumper. Remember to disconnect any wiring harnesses for your fog lights or side markers before gently pulling the bumper away from the vehicle. With the bumper safely removed, lay it face down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Now you can access the old grill. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 10 screws that hold the grill to the bumper. After the screws are out, carefully release the 4 plastic tabs, 1 on each corner, to separate the old grill. Then, position your new grill, align the tabs, and secure it with the 10 Phillips head screws. Now it's time to reinstall the bumper. Carefully lift and align the bumper, ensuring all clips and mounting points are in place. Don't forget to reconnect the wiring harnesses for your fog lights and side markers. Reinstall the 10mm bolts at the corners and all the push pins. Finally, give your work a thorough visual inspection to confirm everything is secure, aligned, and looks fantastic. You've successfully replaced your Chrysler 300's grill.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.